Hi iit-jam aspirants, welcome. This video is regarding your last minute, not tips, lessons. I don't want to talk about your admit card. I don't want to talk about your ID proof and what to carry, what not to carry. I just want to tell you one thing. If you want to prepare a very tasty tea, you have to take care of your milk, you have to take care of your sugar, you have to take care of your tea powder. If you take care of those things, automatically a wonderful tea, tasty tea will automatically be prepared. So same way you have to, if you want to become an IIT IIN, first of all remove that from your mind. Don't enter into the examination hall with the intention of becoming an IIT IIN. This is my sincere suggestion to you. Yes, if you want to become an IIT IIN, it's a desire, very well, just put it into your heart, no matter, no problem. But just focus on process, just be with the cool mind. Okay, so just you have to know what to do and what not to do in examination hall. Focus on your formulas, focus on your preparation, focus on the attempt of exam, how to attempt, how not to attempt. So focus on these things, automatically you will become an IIT IIN. This is the first thing, this is the first suggestion which I just want to tell you. Second thing, don't show your ego and waste of your time. First of all, consider yourself that you are the superior of examiner. I'm not at all trying to degrade anyone here. I always respect examiner, but assume yourself, treat yourself that you are the superior, that you are the advanced person than examiner. Why? Because any examiner is preparing questions, examiner is designing questions based on his or her experience, right? Based on his or her experience, but you are the contemporary one. You have been preparing for this exam from the last 6 months, or from the last 1 year, or from the last 1.5 years. So compared to the examiner, you are just working hard. So believe yourself now. No examiner will give always difficult questions. No examiner give always easy questions. Always examiner consider every kind of students. Examiner also know some students prepare well, some students prepare in an average way, right? So examiner consider every kind of student and design questions like that only. If you observe most of the question papers, no question paper is completely difficult and no question paper is completely easy. Okay, so question paper will be designed like that only. So you don't need to worry about the difficulty level of question paper. Okay, you have to just focus on process. You prepared well, just stick to that only and believe yourself, not examiner. Okay. So next one, for suppose you have been preparing from last few years or last few months. Number of times you are preparing a particular topic, but in the examination hall you might not attempt question regarding that particular topic. You don't need to worry. Just give some time to solve the question. Even if you are aware about that topic, even if you are good at that particular topic, okay, even after giving enough time to that particular question, if you are not able to do that question, if you are not able to do that particular question, just leave and move on. Don't show your ego here and waste your time. Okay, if you know the question, it is very good. If you don't know the question, if you are not able to do that particular question in a limited time, please don't show your attitude or ego and waste your time here. Just move on. This is the second suggestion which I want to give you. Next, don't focus on IIT, just focus on process. I have already talked about these things. Next, don't leave MSQ and NAT. You have MCQ, MSQ and numerical answer type questions. Multiple selective questions and numerical answer type questions have no negative marking. Okay, so in any condition, please don't leave those questions, just attempt those questions. Okay, at least put your approximate value. If you have the NAT questions, okay, you have the blank here, so in that blank at least put your assumption value. Okay, put your assumption value, put at least any close value to the question. Okay, next one, again, leave if you don't know. So if you don't know any question, just leave and move on. Okay, so just be with the cool mind. Okay, you have been preparing, again I'm telling you, have been preparing from the so long, so just believe yourself. Okay, next one, I have analyzed some chapters in organic, inorganic and physical, most important chapters. Still, if you have the time, okay, if you are already prepared well, if you don't want to revise again, it's okay, you don't need to revise organic and inorganic, just revise all the formulas of physical chemistry once, because you have 1 day time still. Okay, because on 12th you have your exam, so just revise all the formulas. But if you want to revise some important chapters in organic, focus on GOC. Okay, for suppose you take the benzoic acid, so this benzoic acid is very acidic, even though at the ortho position you have electron donating group or electron withdrawing group. Okay, these kind of things, these are important questions you have to remember. Okay, trends of acidity and basicity. Okay, so focus on GOC. GOC is very important chapter in your organic chemistry, and focus on important reagents. Okay, so focus on reagents which already asked in your previous examinations. Okay, if you have the time only, just focus on important reagents and give a read to that. Okay, next, important named reactions. If you don't have time, please leave the named reactions, or if you have the time, if you feel that you can read in this particular day, in this within 1 day, you can focus on named reactions too, and also stereochemistry, because these 4 chapters are very important chapters. Again I'm telling you, if you are confident enough, if you feel that you already studied these chapters, it's okay, you don't need to study organic and inorganic. Okay, in inorganic, coordination chemistry is very important, chemical bonding is very important, organometallic compound is also very important. Coordination chemistry, if you have the time, focus on these 3 chapters. Okay, these 3 chapters are also very important. Just give a fast revision, and physical chemistry, thermodynamics, electrochemistry, right? Electrochemistry, you don't need to revise the concepts here. In physical chemistry, just focus on formulas. Okay, thermodynamics, electrochemistry, quantum chemistry, solid state, gaseous state, chemical kinetics. Okay, these 6 chapters are very important, and remaining surface chemistry and all formulas, just give a read. Okay, so these are the things which I just wanted to tell you, I just wanted to convey you. I hope you people will perform very well in the examination. Okay, it is just an exam. Don't focus on IIT tag. Again I'm telling you, don't focus on IIT tag, just focus on process. Okay, just be with the cool mind, give your examination well. Okay, because you are already prepared and you have been preparing, definitely a result will come and you will become an IIT IAL. Okay, yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching.